Introduction. Host. Welcome to our finance series. In today's video, we will uncover the remarkable power of compound interest and show you how to make your money work for you. Compound interest is a game changer when it comes to building wealth, and understanding its potential is essential for financial success. Let's dive in. Segment 1. What is compound interest? Host. To grasp the power of compound interest, we first need to understand what it is. Compound interest is when you earn interest not only on your initial investment but also on the accumulated interest over time. It's like a snowball effect that can significantly boost your savings and investments. Segment 2. The time value of money. Host. The key to maximizing compound interest is time. The longer your money remains invested, the more it can grow. This is known as the time value of money. Starting early gives your investments more time to compound, allowing you to reap the benefits of exponential growth. Segment 3. Investing in compound interest-bearing assets. Host. One of the most common ways to harness the power of compound interest is through investing in assets that generate compounded returns, such as stocks, mutual funds, or retirement accounts. These investments have the potential to provide long-term growth and increase your wealth over time. Segment 4. Regular contributions and reinvestment. Host. To supercharge the effect of compound interest, make regular contributions to your investments. By consistently adding to your savings or investment accounts, you're increasing the principal amount, which compounds the returns further. Additionally, reinvesting any earned interest or dividends will amplify the power of compound interest. Segment 5. Maximizing returns and minimizing fees. Host. When it comes to investing for compound interest, it's crucial to seek out opportunities that offer higher returns. However, be mindful of the associated risks. Diversify your investments and consider strategies that align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Additionally, keep an eye on fees and expenses, as they can eat into your returns over time. Segment 6. Patience and long-term perspective. Host. Harnessing the power of compound interest requires patience and a long-term perspective. It's essential to stay focused on your goals and avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. The true magic of compound interest reveals itself over time. Segment 7. Educating yourself and seeking professional advice. Host. Educate yourself about investing and compound interest. Read books, attend seminars, and follow reputable financial resources. If needed, seek advice from qualified financial professionals who can guide you in making informed decisions based on your unique circumstances. Segment 8. Starting now, taking action. Host. Now is the time to take action and harness the power of compound interest. Start by evaluating your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Open a savings account, invest in retirement accounts, or explore other investment opportunities that align with your objectives. Conclusion. Host. Congratulations. You now understand the incredible power of compound interest and how it can make your money work for you. Remember, starting early, making regular contributions, and having a long-term perspective are the keys to maximizing its potential. Stay tuned for more finance-related content in our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Outro. Host. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable finance tips. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and we'll be happy to assist you. Start harnessing the power of compound interest today and unlock a brighter financial future. Until next time, take care and happy investing.